Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So we are on our way to Srinagar and Srinagar पहुंचते ही we had our breakfast amidst this beautiful place. So after that we left for Sonmarg, which is a 2-hour drive from Srinagar. It's the place where we'll be staying for the next 3 days. The drive from Srinagar to Sonmarg was beautiful, and Sonmarg mein we booked a property called the Ra Villas. It's actually not in Sonmarg, it's 18 kilometers below Sonmarg, and हमें बहुत ज़्यादा expectations थे property से, but it was quite average. This is the reception area, and this is how the room looks. So we had booked the suite room, and the only good thing about the room was that the room was spacious, the view was good, and the bathtub was amazing. Otherwise room के interiors quite average थे. Even the hotel was understaffed, so काफ़ी facilities में problem हो रही थी, and the restaurant food was also quite average. Also the property hasn't been maintained at all, so I don't know, सोनमर्ग में बहुत ज़्यादा properties वैसे भी है नहीं, and the only good property is Ra Villas, but I mean our experience was very average, so you must talk to the manager first before booking this hotel. So after checking in, we chilled for some time, and then we went to the river, which is right in front of the hotel. The view from there is spectacular, and then we were sitting in the balcony and sipping some chai. This is how we spent our first day in Sonmarg. So this is the next day, and we reached this beautiful river flowing camping area after sitting on the horse for 1 hour from Naranag, and it's a beautiful place. We were just sitting here and having some fruits. So after that we decided to go to the Thajwas Glacier, which is again a pony ride. It takes around 1 hour to reach there. The view from Thajwas Glacier was amazing. However, since abhi hum July end में गए थे, we did not find any snow. The snow that we found was trash. You can see how it looks, and all the activities there like sledging are damn expensive, so you really have to bargain a lot. So this is our last day in Sonmarg, and we decided to go to Zero Point. This is the place where your cars will bring you, and यहाँ से आपको यूनियन की कार लेनी पड़ती है. The worst thing in Kashmir is that there's a lot of bargaining. यूनियन की कार के लिए we were quoted around 10,000, and then we brought it down to 4,500, which again we don't know if we paid the fair price or not. So I didn't find Zero Point to be amazing because it was the same old snow, and the view was also quite average. This is how it looked, and you can completely skip it. This is how our dining area looked like. So in totality our experience of Sonmarg was quite average. हमें लगता है अगर आप विंटर मंथ्स में आ रहे हो, so you can definitely visit Sonmarg for a day. Otherwise you can totally skip it. So now it's time to leave Sonmarg, and for the next 3 days we are going to Pahalgam, so stay tuned. If you like my video, do not forget to hit the like button, and for more such videos please subscribe to my channel.